Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about UltData and we click. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.